Hey y'all, my name is Ashley and today I am sharing my trash with you. And by trash, I mean all of my beauty empties from the summer. So if you would like to see what products I emptied and what products I loved, then keep on watching. Okay, so hopefully I did a better job than I did in the spring. And what I mean a better job is not that I was trying to reach a goal of how many products I emptied, but by keeping my trash so I could share with y'all products that I truly love, and you can actually see what beauty products get used and that basically I'm not feeding you a bunch of shit. So this is my basket. This is all beauty. So we got some makeup, we've got some skincare, we've got body care. I think this time around there's no hair care products. Not gonna lie, most of the time my hair is in a ponytail. It's obviously down right now, but usually it's just annoying and in my face and I just put it up. So I don't think but let's go ahead and dive into some skincare. So I have two products from Glow Recipe and I absolutely love Glow Recipe's skincare products. I've got two right here that I emptied. One is going to be the Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. So this is supposed to help with your texture and your acne. I think I've said it a million times by now. I have acne prone skin, I have texture, I have large pores. I have all the checks of things that you don't want on your face. This is my second one of these and I'm already on my third. So yes, I love this. I do see a difference with this product on my skin. So I will probably continue buying it. Now this product is the one I'm kind of on the fence about, and this is the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum from Glow Recipe. So this was my first one, and I'm on my second one now. I haven't really noticed a difference, and the only reason I bought a second one is because I wasn't really keeping up with it. So if I don't really see a difference in my skin when I finish the second one, I will let you know if at that point it's a repurchase, but I am working on it. I also won't be saying the prices because I don't know the prices off the top of my head, but I will be like putting them somewhere down here so you do know how much these products do cost if you are interested. This is a product that I had empty in spring. I have them again empty in the fall, and it's actually two of them this time. And these are from Zit Sticker. These are the Killer Spot Clarifying Patch Kits. They're hydrocolloid microdart patches that are really great for those deep acne. So if you feel that big, almost painful sensation of acne coming up, these are great for that. Now, these are like the larger bags. You can't get these where they're 4, 8. These are packs of 20. So you get 20 patches and then you get 20 like swabs so you can clean the skin before you put the patch on. These work. And the way that I get them, and I mentioned this before, is I do Amazon Subscribe and Save because I do save money doing it this way. So obviously if it's on a Subscribe and Save, it's a continue purchase. Next up is a product from Truly. This is their Lip Plumping Serum. Now, I love this product. I already have one open downstairs, like to use with my nighttime routine or my morning routine, and I also have one up here where my vanity is and all my makeup is. This does have a plumping effect on your lips, but I really enjoy it as like the 4-step system that Truly has, which comes with the lip exfoliator, a lip butter, a lip oil, and a lip plumper. This not only plumps up your lips, but it also hydrates your lips, which is why I love this product and will continue to purchase this product. Last product for skincare. This is from Clean Skin Club. It's a product I get through Amazon to do Subscribe and Save. They're biodegradable face towels. And basically it's so that way when you are drying your face or you're wiping your face, you are each time that you do it, you're using a clean cloth, meaning you're not putting dirty bacteria, even if it's clean out of the laundry, right? You're not putting dirty bacteria onto your face, which will cause acne. It's one of my biggest problems. So I actually started using these and I actually see a pretty, along with the other products I use, I have seen a difference in my skin and I want to continue using products like this to clear up my skin. So I will continue to repurchase this. This is on Subscribe and Save. This is the larger box. I believe there's 50 in here. Now, I've just noticed, I believe all the products that I'm sharing with you today are actually products I love. I don't think any of these products I won't repurchase. Yeah, every product here is something that I would repurchase. Body care. It's not obsessed, but not only do I really enjoy my skincare routine, I really enjoy my body care routine. I love lotions. I don't even know how to explain that without sounding like a weirdo. But I have 3 lotions that are empty from Bath & Body Works. The Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. So the first one right here is in the scent Waikiki Beach Coconut. This is my favorite summer scent. I actually have another one that I'm using currently that's about halfway done. And the fragrance notes on this is tropical white coconut, saltwater breezes, and sun bleached woods. To me, this is just a really nice light coconut summer scent. This is probably the one I use the most during the summer. And then the other 2 are the same scent, and it is the scent Cozy Evening. The fragrance notes of this one is lavender blooms, fresh freesia, oh my god, I cannot say it, and cozy musk. I really enjoy this scent. Obviously, I've gone through 2 of them. I've gone through 2 of them just in the summer alone, but I believe like this makes my second and third one of these, and my 4th one is open currently. I love this scent. It's that scent that you use after you take a shower at night and you want to have like a nice cozy scent on you. That's what this lotion is. I obviously really, really enjoy it. Now, I am a huge fan of Truly Beauty, which is why I have 3 of these body serums that are empty and then a smaller serum right here. I'm gonna start off with the I See Your Boobies Boob Serum. It's to firm and tighten. This is a product that does contain retinol, so you kind of have to ease yourself into it because if not, you will get that peely, flaky skin. But I use it once or twice a week when I feel like my chest is a little dull and it needs a little bit more moisturizer and a little bit extra care. And it's the same with this Buns of Glory Tight and Glow Bum Serum. This one, I believe, also contains retinol. Let me see. Okay, this one doesn't, but it's the same with the other serum. I use it once or twice a week, and it's when my legs or my bum need a little bit more extra care. Now, this one is the Cocoa Cloud Aftershave Serum. I only use this one after I shave, and I find it really helps. I'll break out very easily on my legs, on my arms, my underarms after shaving. And I find that this really helps that not to happen. But I always use this with the body butter, and I find that that 2-step system really works to keep my legs nice and smooth and without like the strawberry legs. Y'all know what I mean. This last serum, this is the Kuka Concentrate Ingrown Serum. This is really great for your legs. I get ingrown hairs on my legs, and then obviously for your bikini area, your underarms, anywhere where you want to prevent the ingrowns at. Now, I do recommend that you do not use this after shaving. You want to like use this, if you've just shaved, don't use this. Wait a day, because if not, it will irritate your skin. And it's probably because it does have like the tea tree oil in there. And after shaving, I personally have to be careful with what scents that I use on my skin because it will cause my skin to be irritated and it will break out. I promise we're working our way through all the Truly products. These 2 are body butters. The first one is the Buns of Glory, the Smoothing Bum Butter. So same like the serum. If I'm using the serum, I'm using the butter. I do find that per butter, it's like 2 serums. So which is why I don't have the I See Your Boobies. But if I'm using a serum, I'm usually using the matching body butter to go with it to get all of the like the juiciness and extra moisture into my skin. And then the other body butter is the Cocoa Cloud Aftershave Moisturizer. Just like the serum, this is a product that I use after I shave. Just like I said earlier, it really does help with my skin. We have finally got to the last Truly product. I am so sorry. The last product is the Unicorn Fruit Brightening and Smoothing Aluminum-Free Deodorant. It is hard for me to try to say aluminum properly because I always think aluminium. But anyway, This is a natural deodorant. Last year, I kind of switched to the natural deodorant, and one of the ones that I've really enjoyed using is this one from Truly. It has like the light, fruity floral scent. It's Truly's signature scent. A lot of their products, body butter, serums, all come in the unicorn fruit scent. I find that it works. 2 more body products. This one is from Pharmacy. This is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body. This has got 12% AHA and BHA, and it's a resurfacing serum. I get those tiny little bumps on the back of my legs, like going up towards my bum. And I find just applying it there and also kind of like on the back of my shoulders and arms, kind of where I have body acne at, it kind of helps. It kind of makes the acne disappear, and also it prevents the acne from appearing. So I don't use it takes me a long time to go through one of these, and I already have one opened, but it does seem to help with my body acne. Last product. I actually talked about this in my summer favorites, so it shouldn't surprise you that I have one empty, but it is the B-Tan's Love at First Tan 1 Hour Self Tan Mousse with the violet base. I mean, if you watch my summer favorites, you know I love this product. I do prefer now to self tan at home opposed to having a spray tan, and I do believe this gives me the best color, the best and most natural color possible with a fake tanner. Oh, I lied. I have one more product. Where did you go? So this is another tanner that I actually tried out this summer, and this one's okay. This is sold by Jergens, and it's their Sunless Tanning Water Mousse. This one's in the shade medium. I find that this product, you have to like put it on every single day to keep your glow or to even have minimal glow. And it's double the price of this one. So I actually don't want to repurchase this product. I don't plan on repurchasing this product. It works in a pinch, but it is not my favorite at all. So what do you know, out of all these products, there's one on here that I would not repurchase. So like I mentioned earlier, I don't have any hair, but I do have 4 makeup items. They're not the most exciting makeup items, but at the same time, a couple of these products shouldn't surprise you, because if you ever check out my description box, all of these products are always mentioned. So I'm gonna start off with a setting spray that I finished off, and this one's from Milk Makeup. This is their Hydro Grip setting spray. So it's not just a setting spray, it's also like a gripping prepping spray as well. And I do use it for both. I use it for spraying in between my layers, spraying it when it's all completed. In fact, I have it on right now because even before this was empty, I already had one ready to go, because this is a setting spray that I personally cannot live without in this Texas heat. This does make my makeup last all day, and I have not yet found a setting spray that can do what this one does. It also doesn't make your skin look dry. Like, that's the bonus. It keeps your makeup in place. It's not fully mattifying. It's like nice, and like it gives you a subtle glow. You have heard me talk about this a lot, and this is from Gerard Cosmetics. I probably had one empty last time as well, but this is the Clean Canvas Eye Primer in the shade Fair. This is my go-to eye base. I absolutely love this product, and I really hope Jen Gerard starts making colored ones, because if I wanted a colored base, I'm pretty sure that is who I want it from. I don't want to try it from anyone else. I want Jen Gerard to come out with colored eye bases, because this formula is amazing, and all the eye bases I've ever tried, this cannot top it. Eyebrow pencil. I am very particular with my brows. I like my brows to be sharp and angular. I'm not a fan of the fluff. I do like a minimal fluff right here, but I like everything from under my brow to be nice, sharp, and precise. And the way that I get that is I use the brow pencil from Huda Beauty. It's actually not the brow pencil I use today, because I have tried to step out and try different ones. I will say I have tried other ones, but this one is still my favorite. And this is Huda Beauty's Balm Brows Micro Shade Brow Pencil. Now, I use the darkest shade possible, and that is 8 Soft Black. Well, I can't even show you because it's gone. This is the smallest tip on an eyebrow pencil I have ever used or seen, and that is why I like it. You can draw little hairs if you wanted to, but you can also get like a very precise line and tail with this. Absolutely an amazing brow pencil. All right, last product. This one is very strange, but I love these little fuckers, and these are and this is an Evian mist. Okay, yes, I understand that it's just water in a can that comes out in a mister. This one's completely empty. I do have another one somewhere over here floating on my desk. I don't really use this to spray my face. I use this when I play with graphic liners. I spritz a little bit in here, use, my tiny makeup brush, and that's how I do the cake liner or the graphic liners. They're kind of on trend right now, but that is how I do it. I find it a little bit more sanitary than using water from your sink or a dropper that you put water in yourself. This is all compressed air. It hasn't been contaminated. I just think it's better for my eyes. So I've already got one on my desk. It's an odd product. To me, it's a makeup product because that's what I use it for. But that is also my last empty. I feel like I just talked a mile a minute in this video, but I knew I had a lot of products to talk about. I didn't want to be here for 45 minutes, and not to mention, my wife is waiting for me to go to the bar. So, with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Let me know if you like hearing about other people's trash. I find beauty empties kind of satisfying to watch, knowing that these products have been used and well loved and money worth spent. So if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and let me know. And until next time, bye y'all.